How to find a working Dairy Queen promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Dairy Queen promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Dairy Queen. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one. Worth Penny. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Dairy Queen. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 40% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy it, then you can head towards the website of it, log into your account, make your purchase, and post it to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Dairy Queen. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, hit back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Dairy Queen. So this is how you can easily find working Dairy Queen promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.